Welcome to LinkClassroom. In this video, we will show you how to log into the system as a student and join a class in both web and mobile. Open Google Chrome browser and go to linkclassroom.com on web. If using web, once you land on the home page, click on a Login/Sign Up button on the right side. Click on As Student button to log in as a student. Like in most modern applications, you can log in with your email ID, and an OTP is sent to you for the first login. Enter the OTP you would have received in the registered mail ID. You can set up your own password and use it to log in further. To set up a password, click on Set Password and enter your desired password, and enter the same word again to confirm the password and then, click Next. Enter your full name. You will see a big screen with a tile named Join Class. This is the place where you as a student can see all your scheduled classes. Click on Join Class and enter the 4-digit code shared by your teacher. A tile with the details of the particular class appears. Again, click on Join Now button. You can give necessary permissions and join the class with or without the video as instructed by the teacher. Once the teacher admits you, you will be allowed into the class. If you are disconnected for some reason, you can rejoin the class with the same code. You can now enjoy your lecture and then click on this Leave button to end the session. You can also download LinkClassroom on mobile. A student can also join the class on mobile, using similar process of logging in into the account. Setting up password or using an OTP to log in. Entering the code in Join Class tile. Joining the class after the teacher admits. And finally leave the class after you enjoy the session. Now, we have come to the end of this video. We wish you a great learning experience.